Hey guys, Kiwi from the Outdoor Apprentice. This is the Hampshire Outdoors and Survival Toastie Bushcraft Toastie Challenge. Today I am making an egg and cheese toastie. So I have buttered both sides of the bread, put the first piece in and then suppressed it. And you're probably wondering why I've done that. Well, that's to stop the egg running everywhere. I'll bring you back shortly. Right, as you can see, I've added the egg and I'm just adding the last piece of cheese before the top goes on. Now, put the top on ever so slightly, although this one shouldn't make any difference because it's quite large. So you can press it down, you lock it into place like so, and then we take it out the back and we cook it. So for today's cooking experience, we are using a portable gas cooker. Now, my friend Mick reminded me recently that when you have stuff, it's a good idea to test it, use it, and make sure you know how it works. So this is the first time I've used this bit of kit because it's the first time I've had gas for it. So we're going to see how this comes out cooking our toasty pie maker. Cooking with our toasty pie maker. Now, you must excuse me because I'm doing this by hand. I haven't set my tripod up. So if it's a little bit shaky, please forgive me. I'll bring you back in a little while. Hey guys, well, that was quick. I have to admit that was quicker than I was expecting. That is super efficient. And here are the results. So here you have it, an egg and cheese toastie. Simple, tasty, delicious. Wow, that's good. Look at that cheese. Oh, well, I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share.